जान लगाई हैं कुणाल ने पूरा, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि एक अच्छे सिनेमा के साथ हम जुड़े। यहाँ पे सारे बड़े दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, गुड कास्ट एंड क्रू, और बड़ी ईमानदारी से हमेशा आत्मा से जुड़ी हुई है। और हमेशा के लिए बहुत एक अच्छा सिनेमा हम सब लोगों के लिए। सो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है ये सिनेमा करके।
हमेशा लास्टली लाइक एक्टिंग करना और प्रोड्यूसिंग करना, इट्स डिफरेंट जॉब, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हिच इज द टॉप साइड, एक्टिंग या प्रोड्यूसिंग?
Definitely producing. It's almost like committing suicide, but I love it. It's when you have a partner like Kunal, he lets you focus being the actress also, and that's the pleasure of it. And this is my toughest film. Kunal has chosen the toughest role. This vision of the film is completely his. Every event that you see, every idea that's unique, even in the film, his sense of music, it's all him. And he had the concept of a double role, and he's given me the toughest film of my career. So, but I'm enjoying the challenge completely.
जाहिद सर, आपके लिए आपने पहले भी प्रोड्यूस कर चुके आपके होम प्रोडक्शन, जैसे कि लव ब्रेकअप जिंदगी, तो हाउ डू यू फील लाइक एज एन एक्टर, एज एन प्रोड्यूसर फॉर यू?
वेल मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि प्रोड्यूसर बनना और मुश्किल है। ये बात बहुत ही मतलब कहने की बात नहीं कि बट एक्टिंग इज ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ जॉय, इट्स अ क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस। प्रोडक्शन is a decision-making process. It's a process where you have to make some very tough decisions all the time. Not everybody are going to be your friends, but at the end of the day, if you, as a producer, complete the task that is ahead of you and complete the movie that you promised everybody, then whatever has happened throughout is just goes under the carpet, because everybody realizes that, you know, making a good film takes a lot of sweat, a lot of blood. And as you can see, we have some great producers out there like Ramesh ji, Ratan ji, who know exactly what we are talking about. And sometimes
we've also probably troubled at some point in our career.
And we've troubled
also
a lot all the time, and they've always put a smile on their faces. And today, I think we all know what they go through. So thank you for being here and giving us your blessings. But nevertheless, I have to say that working with Amisha and Kunal has been working like any A-grade production that I've worked on. They've never let me feel that, you know, there's anything left behind or any idea or any kind of sweat of blood put into, you know, not put into the effort of making a grand A-grade project like this. So I really wish them the best of luck. It's not easy for Kunal as well, you know, and the fact that he's going through troubled times and still making this happen shows the kind of man he is. So good luck to you, man. I wish your father well, and I hope he recovers and very, very soon. And I also want to thank Mehul Atta, who's the director of our film. He's a guy who's very silent and doesn't say much, but he really
always smiles.
he really takes a lot of load on himself. He manages to massage all our egos and still make it all work for us. And I'll tell you that that's a great quality in a director. And there are very many people on this team that have been fantastic.